Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, Hazrat Umar saw a thick silken robe selling in the bazaar. So he took it and visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you may buy it and don it at Eids and when the delegates come. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this dress is for him who has no share in the hereafter, and undoubtedly only he who has no share in the hereafter wears it. After some days, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu wills, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent him a robe made of dibaj, kind of silk. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu brought it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have sent me this robe, whereas you had said, this dress is for him who has no share in the hereafter, or undoubtedly only he who has no share in the hereafter wears it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, sell it or utilize it in any of your need. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3054.